In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss some problems on multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. So which of the following A to D, these are figures A to D, show. So these figures correspond to any one of these, and you have to find that. If this is 2 times 1, 2 multiplied by 1 by 5, what does it tell you? It tells you that you have something 1/5 that is 2 times. You have something 1/5 that is 2 times. So look at these figures and first look at which of the figures has been divided into 5 equal portions, because this fraction tells you what, that particular figure has been divided into 5 equal parts. You're talking about one part, so one part will have to be shaded, but there should be 2 such figures, right? There should be 2 such figures. This tells you that you're talking about the 1/5. That figure should be divided into 5 equal parts, but you have to find that that figure should be 2 times. So you have to look which one has been divided into 5 equal parts. This one? No. This has been divided into 3 equal parts. This one? No, 2. This one? No, 4. So the left one is this one. So you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, these 2 circles have been divided into 5 equal parts and one part is shaded. That tells you this 1 by 5. That is a fraction. Total 5 divided parts. One is shaded part, 1 by 5. And you have 2 such figures. That tells you this one. So this B is for the first one, right? This B is for the first one. The second part is 2 times 1 by 2. This figure should be divided into 2 equal parts and one part should be shaded. So this figure has already been matched to first one. We are left with these 3. So of course this one tells you that yes, the figure has been divided into 2 equal parts. One part is shaded and you should have 2 such figures. So 1 and 2. That is, you should have 2 half. You should have 2 half. So 1 half is this one. 1 half is this one, right? You have to find 2 half. As it was in this case, you have to find 2 1 by 5. So this was 1 by 5 and this is another 1 by 5. So you have 2 1 by 5. In this case, you have to find 2 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2. This is another 1 by 2. So this will be the answer, and D will be for the second one. This is 3 times 2 divided by 3. Look at this fraction and then look at the 2 remaining figures that have not been matched yet. Then you'll have to find the figure which has been divided into 3 equal parts and 2 parts should be shaded so that you will get the fraction 2 by 3. So this figure is actually divided into 3 equal parts and these 2 shaded parts show that you have the fraction of 2 by 3. And you should have 3 such 2 by 3. So this is 1 2 by 3, this is another 2 by 3, this is another 2 by 3. So you have 3 2 by 3. So third one is for this one and you're only left with this one and this figure is left. So of course you can quickly tell that this is one for the fourth one, but if you want to discuss this, let's discuss it also. This is 3 times 1 divided by 4. You have to look at the figure which has been actually divided into 4 equal parts and one part should be shaded so that you can get the fraction 1 divided by 1 by 4. So this figure has actually been divided into 4 equal parts. One part is shaded. Same for this figure, same for this figure. So it tells you the fraction 1 divided by 4. You should have 3 such 1 by 4. So 1 1 by 4, 2 1 by 4 and 3 1 by 4. So this is for the fourth one. Okay. Now look at these figures. Some pictures A to C, A, B and C are given below. Tell which of them show. Same thing you have to do here also. But in this case, you can see the difference. It has actually been multiplied. Here, this was not multiplied. That is, we didn't write it as 2 by 5, or in this case 2 by 2, or in this case 3 times 2 is 6 divided by 3, or in this case it was 3 by 4. No, we didn't write it like that. We simply, went for the whole number and how many times you have to find that fraction. But in this case, it has actually been multiplied. That is, the whole number has been multiplied by the numerator. So the first one is 3 times 1 or divided by 5. So this will be 3 by 5. So the figure should tell you what? That you should have, in all these cases you can see that this equal sign that resembles this one. Okay, equal, equal, equal. So you have to match that figure which has 3 times 1 by 5, and that should give you 3 by 5. You should have a fraction of 1 by 5 and you have 3 such fractions, therefore you'll get 3 by 5. So first look for that figure which has been divided into 5 equal parts. This has been divided into 3 equal parts. This has been divided into 4 equal parts. Yes, this one has been divided into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And in each figure there should be one shaded portion. Yes, in this one this is a shaded portion. In this one this is a shaded, and in this one this is a shaded. And you should have 3 such 1 by 5. So 1 by 5, the second 1 by 5, and the third 1 by 5. 3 times 1 by 5 means you should have 3 times this 1 by 5. Should have total number of 3 such 1 by 5. And that should be equal to 3 by 5. That is, a fraction should be then, of course that makes sense. That we have 3 1 by 5, therefore our fraction will be 3 by 5. So this figure tells you that when you'll have 3 1 by 5, then you'll get 3 by 5 as a fraction, right? So this is 3 by 5. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The figure has been divided into 5 equal parts. That is this one and 1, 2, 3. So this tells you the number of parts that you are considering. That is a shaded portion. So the first one is for this one. Now the second one is 3 times 3 divided by 4, and it should be equal to 2 whole number. 1 by 4, there is a fraction. Of course it is in the form of a mixed fraction. It can be written as 9 divided by 4, right? Because this is the improper fraction, and improper fraction can be written in the form of a mixed fraction. So these two are same actually. Excuse me. So what does it tell you? It tells you that you have to look for that figure that has been divided into 4 equal parts, and 3 parts should be shaded, and you should and therefore you'll get the fraction 3 by 4, and you should have 3 such 3 by 4. Each figure should have 3 by 4 fraction, and you should have total 3 such figures. That will tell you 3 by 4. So if we look, this one has already been matched to the first one. These 2 figures are left. Of course this cannot be matched to this one, because here it tells you that the figure should be actually divided into 4 equal parts, but this has been divided into 3 equal parts. Only this one is left. Yes, this is divided into 4 equal parts, and yes, this has the 3 shaded portions. Therefore it tells you that this resembles the 3 by 4 fraction, because total 4 divisions and you are only considering 3 parts. That is 3 by 4 fraction. This is 3 by 4. This is also 3 by 4. This is also 3 by 4. And we have such total number of how many 3 by 4s we have? We have 3 such 3 by 4. And therefore you should get what? 9 divided by 4. You should get 9 divided by 4. What should 9 divided by 4 tell you? It should tell you this one, right? mixed fraction. And what this mixed fraction tells us? If this is 2, 1 by 4, then you know that this 2 tells us the whole number, that you should have two such things. Whatever thing you are considering, you should have two complete of them. You should have two complete of them, and then there should be the 1/4 of that, any one of this, right? Two complete and then 1/4 of something. So two complete, right? And 1/4. You can see that this fraction, what does this figure tell you? What fraction does it tell you? It tells us 1 by 4. Why? Because this figure has been divided into 4 equal parts and only one part is shaded, therefore it will give us this 1 by 4. And these two figures are actually 2, that is, it tells you, represents these two, right? So 2 complete and 1 by 4. Now, what does this tell you, 9 by 4? It tells you that you should have actually what? 9 times 1 by 4. It's another way to look at that, right? It should tell you that you should have 9 1 by 4. So this is one, if you consider this figure, then the total fraction and this figure has been divided into 4 equal parts. This one portion will resemble what? 1 1 by 4, right? The first 1 by 4, this will tell you the second 1 by 4, this will tell you the third 1 by 4, this will tell you the fourth 1 by 4. Similarly for this one, so again you'll write 4 times 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So we have written 8 times and this ninth 1 by 4. So this will give you 9 times 1 by 4. That is, you should have 9 1 by 4. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and this is the last 1 by 4. Okay, so this is 9 times 1 by 4, or another way to look at that will be the help of this mixed fraction. The last one is, let me remove this. So this one, that B is for the second one. Of course, we are left with this only A1, so we can say that third one will be matched to this one, but let's discuss it. So this is 2 times 1 by 3 should be equal to 2 times 3. That is, the figure should be divided into 3 equal parts and only one part should be shaded. This figure has been divided into 3 equal parts and one part has been shaded. It tells you the fraction 1 by 3. Of course, this is telling you the fraction 1 by 3, and you should have two such 1 by 3. So this is telling you the 1 by 3. So we got 1 1 by 3. This is telling you another 1 by 3. It's telling you the next 1 by 3. Therefore, you got 2 1 by 3. And it should give you what? The fraction 2 by 3. Yes, this figure has been divided into 3 equal parts and 2 parts are shaded. Therefore, the fraction that will be shown by this figure is actually what? 2 by 3. So this is a way to, match the figures with the arithmetic equation that has been given here.